all over. You essentially just want to look for all the different buttons. Alrighty guys, so for this XP glitch, you just want to load yourself into creative. So if it's not already here, just hit this, then hit create, and hit play. And then I'll see you guys as soon as we're loaded into the creative hub. Also, if you want a gifted skin, make sure to use code Baylor1x in the item shop and leave a comment with your epic. Alrighty guys, so as soon as you're loaded in, you're going to be on this chapter 3 season 3 brand new creative hub. It's going to be this Chinese theme with these lanterns, this sword, and this dragon. You're going to see all that around here. And what you want to do as soon as you join in is you want to look for these portals in front of this temple. There's going to be 4 of them. This one's not working properly, so I'm just going to steer clear of that one. And I just want to pick one of the other ones. So I'm going to pick, let's say, I'll go with this second one right here. I'm going to go up to it and hit use console and type in this code exactly how I have it. 259893194246. And a very important part that you don't want to leave out is you have to add this V5. That makes sure that you're loading into the version 5 of this map. That way you're in the right one that will give you the XP properly. It's going to be created by G6T. It's going to be best GXT 1v1 map for high FPS. Make sure this picture looks like it does on my screen. And then once you know that, you just want to hit accept. And then you should be good to just wait for it to load. I like to just run around and kill some time. It only takes about 10 to 15 seconds to load, but I just like to run around in circles and just like kill some time. It really is not even worth it. I just, you know, instead of just standing in front of it like this, it kills some time. So now that it's there, we're gonna run into it and travel to the island. It's gonna take us right there. And you wanna make sure you're on this platform right here and you see all this stuff around you. This is just how you know that you're in the right place. You see that egg there, you see all this 1v1 platform, basically everything you need to know. And then on the left side of your screen, it's gonna say XP awards XP. That's how you know that this map actually has XP enabled. So you just wanna make sure that you follow that and you have that there. If that is not there on the left side of your screen, that means XP has been disabled. So just make sure that's there. And then at the bottom of your screen to start the game, you can either wait for it to count down from 60 seconds at the bottom there, or you can go to your settings, hit the gear icon, and just hit start game yourself. And then it will start the game automatically. Now, as soon as this countdown ends, you're gonna see that this pop-up says, would you like to support me? You wanna hit yes, and then it's gonna take you to the symbol, and to activate the XP buttons, you wanna hit support, and then type in my code Baylor1x. It supports me and also activates the XP buttons. You'll see the confetti, that's how you know it worked. Now, what you wanna do is you wanna make sure you have a grappler and an AR. So as you can see, I already have them. But if you don't, you can pick them up. There's a grappler over there and all sorts of ARs. Just make sure you have one of each just in case you need to shoot anything or you need to grapple around to get somewhere fast. So for this glitch, basically what you want to do is you want to come over here and go past the supported creator thing and build 3 floors. So 1, 2, 3. Now as soon as you do that, essentially what you want to do is turn to the left and just build 1 floor, just like that. And as soon as you build that 1 floor, you're going to go on top of it and build 5 ramps up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as soon as you do that, you're going to see this pattern 3, 1, 5. And then you're going to see that there should be, or you need 1 more floor. And then you'll see it'll turn blue just like that, and you'll get some XP. You can actually go through and do that again and you'll get some more XP. And then you're going to see a button right here that you want to hit to interact. And this is actually a teleporter that will teleport you straight over here. And what you want to do is you want to come around here over to these computers, and you're going to see there's going to be buttons. There's going to be one here. It's going to be one here. You want to just press them all because all of these buttons will actually give you XP. And then you can turn back over here and there's going to be buttons all over. You essentially just want to look for all the different buttons. They're going to be everywhere, so you want to make sure you hit all of them. And as you can see, we're getting a ton of XP. Yeah, so there's going to be ones on this computer here, in this corner, in this corner. They're going to be on these posts. If you look around, you essentially just have to look and find them. They're literally everywhere, so you just got to be patient and find them. So like sometimes they're over here, like as you can see, there's some here. You really got to be patient and just know what you're looking for. And like always, you can go back and you can actually press buttons once again, and you can press them multiple times. You guys can actually spend a good amount of time just looking for them over again. Okay, real quickly before we move on, I want you guys to know that if you want exclusive XP glitches and ways to level up, I actually do have a Patreon that you guys can sign up for to get special access to secrets, where you can get extra XP and levels that I don't actually show in my YouTube videos. It's only $4.99 a month, and you get literally so much access to level up. You can probably get to level 100 in one day with it. These are XP glitches that I can't actually put in my YouTube videos. So go to the link in my description if you want any access to any of these things. Okay, now back to the video. They're hidden. So they're supposed to be hidden. It's supposed to be kind of like a scavenger hunt. So I don't know where they all are, but as you can see, we've stopped getting XP. So if that happens to you, all that you need to do is you just want to hit escape, then hit the gear icon, hit end game, and as soon as the game ends, you're going to want to hit play again, just like so. And as soon as you load in, you're basically, it'll take a second, but as soon as you load in again, you basically just want to repeat the process that I just showed you guys a second ago. So we're going to speed run it. So we're going to hit yes, I'd like to support. You want to type in my code Baylor1x right here. Make sure to spell it right. That's going to activate everything. Then you want to make sure you have your guns in the right slots. You want to build 1 floor right here. Then, well, 3 actually. Then 1 to the left. Then 5 ramps up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you want to place 1 floor. And then obviously you're going to be able to press that button. And you're actually going to go ahead and be able to press these buttons like right around here. As you guys can see, they're going to be right here, and then there's going to be one here. And then if you jump down over here, there's going to be more buttons right here. And as you guys can see, we're still getting just as much XP from doing this. See, as you can see, we're getting like so much XP. It's actually crazy. And there's going to be an XP button here and here. And you just want to check literally every little wall because you could be missing something. Now, if you stop getting XP, you can just go back up here and you can try this one again, just like I showed you guys. It isn't really an exact science. It's just something that you want to go through and just do a couple times. And then as soon as you start to run low on XP, you can just go through and do it again. Now, once you're done with that, you can actually respawn. And then I want to show you guys one more thing. Once you're back to the main platform, what you'll actually notice once you're on here is that there's actually an XP shop over here. So if you go right over here, you can see this, and you can actually get XP from doing things like this. So as you can see, we just got 80 XP from that. And if you do this, or yeah, if you press this, you're gonna see you're actually gonna get some XP from bouncing on this thing. So I'm just bouncing on here and I'm slowly accumulating a bunch of XP. And eventually you will fall off, so you have to like get it perfectly if you want to stay on here. But you can just sit here and get infinite XP like that. You can also just kill this guy. Also, if you destroy these towers, you actually get XP. So I'll just destroy this one really quick, just so that it's not taking too long. Because this would honestly take forever if I tried to just break the bigger ones. But essentially, you can just break this like you see on my screen, and you'll get an XP reward. Now, I'm not going to sit here and do that whole thing, but as you can see, when you press this, you're going to start to get a bunch of XP. And there's also this button over here that lets you get XP. Or no, that's just the XP shop button. My bad, guys. But yeah, when you go in here, you can kill this guy again, get some free XP at the top of your screen, 78 XP from that. This one, you just want to spam click this button, and you'll get XP. It's slower, but obviously it's infinite and it's free, so I definitely recommend doing all these things. But yeah, I mean, those are basically the XP glitches that I got for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want access to secret XP glitches and maps that I can't put in videos because they're too OP, make sure to check out the link in my description, my Patreon, where you can have access to all those exclusive things. And make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more. And use my code Baylor1x in the item shop, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.